In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add passcode before making any transactions on Trust Wallet. You can simply enable an extra lock before making any kind of transaction on your Trust Wallet. To do this, simply open up your Trust Wallet app. You will have to first enter your passcode to access your wallet. On this page, tap on this settings icon. Then select the option of security. You will have to enter your passcode. Enable the last option of transaction signing on. An approval before transaction will be needed. You will always be required to enter your saved passcode before making any transactions. That's how easy it is to add passcode before making transactions on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.